Happy 70th birthday, Mommy Minnie. May the Lord provide you and give you good health, longer life, and more money, but with love, joy, and peace from the Lord.
May the Lord God give the desire of your heart. We love you!
God bless.
God bless.
Hi, Mommy Minnie. Happy birthday po. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come.
To you, my dear friend Minerva, happy birthday. I wish you good health and God bless you always. Take care and love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Minnie.
Birthday, Mami Minnie, I love you. Love you, Mami Minnie, I love you.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday!
I hope namin happy birthday. Ayun. Kay happy birthday kake for Mami.
Happy birthday po, Ninang.
Happy 70th birthday po, Ninang. Enjoy your special day and may you have more birthdays to come.
Hi, Miner. Kumusta na, my dearest pinsan? We want to greet you. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Miner. Enjoy being young. Have fun.
Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your life. And we wish you another 30 years of birthday more to come. We love you. We miss you.
Take care. God bless.
Take care. God bless. And again, happiest birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Emba. Minerva, this is Che. I can't believe that you're 70. You look so young, but still mini like me. You're 70 your age to perfection, and cheers to 70 years of being an amazing lady and a wonderful grandma. Okay, wishing you good luck and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Minerva. This is Ate Chit. Bye-bye.
Surprise! It's a party, Teddy, a party! Happy birthday! 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 Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, son. It's a party, Teddy, a party. Cake. Happy birthday to me.